What is up, everybody? Today is July 25th. It's Full Port Friday. This is the trade recap. Obviously, I took one trade today, even though there's two on here. I want to go over this first one. I took one trade. It was a loss. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So I actually woke up pretty fucking late today, and I would have took this trade. The setup literally happened, or the entry happened as I was fucking logging on, which is my own fault, right? So no one else to blame. So let's go over it real quick. Let's get our session highs and lows going. All right. Well, Asian low don't matter, but we had London lows right here. And what did we get? We had a London low SMT. So from there, all right, we resweep it again, come back down one more time, creating a high at market open, 5-minute internal high. And what do we get on the lower time frame? Well, we get a 2-minute inversion, right? Enter off the 2-minute inversion. Take profit at, could have set it to this resting liquidity right here. Give me 1 second. Dude, I keep seeing shit out the corner of my eye. I don't know if it's my vision or what. I keep getting fucked. Anyways, so London low, SMT. What else do we have? We tapped into this 15-minute for value gap right here, right? So along with a London low SMT, we have a 15-minute for value gap, and then we also have a resweep of hourly lows, which I believe was also an SMT, right? It's Thursday at 12 o'clock. And let's see what we did here. Thursday at 12 o'clock, yeah. So we had an SMT as well right here. Now, again, I woke up late, so this is why I didn't take the trade, but whose fault is that? Well, it's mine. Otherwise, I would have smacked this. 15-minute SMT, 1 hour SMT, London low SMT, 15-minute for value gap, 2-minute inversion to the upside. What can we target? Well, the market open high can be our break-even point, and then we can target this resting liquidity right here, and also this resting liquidity over here. And let's see what we did. Well, we fucking ran right to that shit, right? And what did we also run to? Later on, well, what is this red line? This red line is London highs, right? If you guys watch the liquidity video, you like to know, or you should know, that price likes to seek out session liquidity, especially a London session, right? So right after, what do we get back down? Again, we had another SMT with London highs. What did we come down to? This was the trade I actually took today. This is the one that got me fucked. So we were still respecting these 1 hour for value gaps. We never inversed them. And we also came and swept out this hourly high inside this hourly for value gap. Also took out London highs, creating an SMT, right? If we come here, where's London highs at? Oh my God, I gotta go to 30-minute. Give me 1 second. Because we ended up taking out London highs on yes, but not until. Where the fuck is London highs? Oh yeah, see, look, London highs are all the way the hell up here. NASDAQ took it out, right? So we had another SMT back to the downside. What do we get again? We get a 2-minute inversion. Now, what are our targets? Well, when we trended up, what did we leave? We left a 5-minute for value gap right here, unfilled, and we left a 15-minute for value gap right here unfilled. And what do we have on the 1 minute right below the 15-minute for value gap? Well, we had equal lows, and then also the entry point to the 15-minute for value gap was a relatively equal low on the 1 minute. So what I wanted to target was this 15-minute for value gap. My entry point was absolute dog shit in this trade. Why? So I didn't want to enter off the 2 minute, so I set a limit order at the inversion. And I'll show you guys my executions in a second. So let's go to the 1 minute, right? Price trended down, and then it came back up, and it threw me originally in the order right here. So this is what my RR looked like. A 1.42, that's perfect. That's all I needed on the day. But then I went to set multiple take profits with the fucking, here, this is what it looks like, with this thing right here. And I always fuck up, right? So I went in for 2 minis. I'm in for 2 minis right here. I accidentally entered a third mini, like way the fuck down here, instead of putting it as a limit buy. So I accidentally entered a third mini, and with that being said, it ended up making my entry point like this, which is fucking terrible. It's not the worst, but it could have been a lot better, right? Now I have a 0.99, so basically a 1-to-1. And let's just see what price ended up doing. In my opinion, it was an A+ trade, right? London high SMT, 1 hour sweep of liquidity, also the 1 hour SMT. And then we also got a 1 hour for value gap tap, 2-minute inversion to the downside. We left a 15-minute unfilled, and we also left a 5-minute unfilled. So that is why I entered. I did feel confident in this trade. I got excited. Hold on. There's where I got fucked. I got excited with this. I mean, I wasn't really emotional in this trade because it was an A+ setup, so I didn't really give a fuck what happened. But I was on my phone, and all of a sudden price pushed up. I was like, whatever. And then I was on my phone still, and I look down, or I look up again, and price shit the bed. I was like, oh yeah, we run into the take profit. It's easy. Well, what happened 2 fucking candles later? All right, here's this. I was like, okay, we just want to come back into this 1 minute for value gap right here, right? That's all we want to do, and then maybe reject lower. So I look down at my phone again, and as I'm looking up, we just got fucked by this wick. Like, what is this wick? Like, why is that even here? A fucking 28-point move on the 1 minute candle. That's ridiculous. And mind you, my take profit was only 16.5 points away because, again, my fucking entry got fucked. So I entered 2 minis at the retest of the inversion, and then I entered 1 mini on accident somewhere down here, bringing my average cost to right here, right? Stop still at the swing highs. Take profit was the 15-minute for value gap. Well, I ended up getting stopped out. And I was like, all right, maybe we wanted a resweep SMT, but nothing ended up presenting itself after that, right? We just ended up chopping around. So it's Friday. I had a good week, so I'm just going to call it one and done for today, right? That is the trade recap. Oh, here's my executions if you guys wanted to see it. Here's my executions, right? I'm trying to find where I sold another one. Another one. It had to have been like this candle, bro. Sell to. Wait, no, that's sell to. What is? Yeah, see, at 3 at the average price. Okay, the other one was at 23,392. So where's that? 23,392. Bro, look, bro. That shit was all the way down here. That shit fucked me, bro. I didn't even mean to do that shit. I was pissed. I wasn't pissed, but I was like, dude, come on. Because that's not the first time that shit's happened. But it is what it is, right? It's Friday. We're going to have a great weekend. And I will see you guys. Well, there will be a beginner's blueprint tomorrow. And then I will see you guys Sunday for a trade recap of all the trades I took this week. We'll go over everything one more time and my thought process through everything. So, that being said, I will catch y'all boys Sunday, and y'all have a great weekend.